All right, welcome back to Donald Mowers Electrical Services. So I made a preliminary video when we started. I showed you how to do a scratch coat. Well, now we're cleaning up, and it's getting close to 6 p.m. and we're not done yet. But everyone's pumped because this is cleanup day, and this is the day we get to get off this job. It's been 3 weeks, so let's take a look at what we've gotten done. All right. So, ram board isn't up yet on the first floor, but the lights are working, and there's our patching. All right, and I'm trying to see how nice and level it is. See how there's no feathering? There's absolutely no feathering with that patch. It's right where it was cut, and it blends in perfect to the original plaster. All right. That's another hole. All right, so these are our holes, and you can see. All right, so let's take a look, and there is our fireplace lighting. All right, and here's our channeling. All right. Receptacles are in the baseboard. And look, you can see the lime. That's all lime from the top coat. And we're starting to pull all the stuff off here. All right, so the piano is going to be opened up soon. And this is going up to the second floor. All right, do we mop the steps yet?
No.
Okay. And this is exactly why we put that down. So you can see a difference here. All right. Now we haven't mopped yet. And you can still see there's a subtle little bit of dust every now and then. And it's usually from where the ram board pulled up a little bit. Here's our floors. All right. And here's that bed. All right. I want to show you something. I'll pick a room that has a light in it. All right. You can see how nice and clean the floors are. All right. But more importantly, there's a little bit there, so we have to do a little bit more wipe down, but hardly any dust. So we'll do one more wipe down on the windows, all right? Because all these have been cleaned, all right? And you saw, here's the holes, so you can see how much, like, go through the other video and you can kind of see how damaging a rewire, as far as dust is concerned, can be. And now you get to see how nice the floors look, and now we have to mop them. So when we're done doing a ram board, we mop the floors, all right? And you can see the mop line. And we have to carefully move the furniture. Don't move the furniture over there that has the metal feet, okay?
Right. The one that they...
Yeah, yes. Yeah. Thank you.
No problem. Sorry for messing the video.
No, you didn't. And then we wipe down the baseboards twice, make sure the baseboards are nice and clean. We might have to do the windows twice too, because there's a little bit of dust on the windows in the other room.
Which one?
The room next to us here. Just hit the windowsills one more time, and it'll get it. I know we did 2 wipe downs, but if we do the windowsills with a third, it'll finish it up. All right, bathroom's clean. I'm just showing how clean the house is now. Okay, after everything that we did, the house is now clean. And this is always the fun area here. So each one of these spindles we have to wipe down and we have to clean. Okay, we have to get all the dust off of every one. And we did. We did it all the way up to the attic. All right, that's all. I'm not walking up there because I don't want to make us. I don't want to mess with what they did. So we're done now. All right, the rewire is 100%. We have a final inspection coming up most likely Monday or Tuesday. And the house gets turned back over. Hopefully we're turning the house over tonight. I bet you we have about 2 to 3 more hours worth of work, just finishing cleaning, wiping down, and then the house is turned over clean. So this is Donald Miller's Electrical Services, and this is one of our finishing day for Rewire. Take care, God bless. Bye-bye.